Hello friends, how are you doing? And welcome to my channel Take9 and today in this video I'm going to show you how can we recover permanently deleted files from our computer. Okay, and this video is going to be very useful. Okay, and for this we need a recovery software, and there are lots of recovery software available for your computer for recovering the deleted and other corrupted files. And I mostly use a free software, and it's called Recover. Okay, and that's totally free to use. Okay, and you can download this software. Okay, go to your browser and search for Recover. And as you click on the first link here, okay, you can see you can download the free version. Okay, and I have already downloaded and installed this software in my computer, hence I don't need to do this. And I'll show you an example. Okay, here in this D drive I have a text file here. Okay, and I'm going to delete this permanently from my computer. Okay, simply by deleting. Okay, I deleted this, and as it goes to recycle bin, I want to clear it from the recycle bin also. Here you can see. Okay, I've deleted all this. My recycle bin is also empty, and I'm going to recover that file. So for this I need to open the Recover software app. Okay, here it is. As I open it, and it will ask for us to choose the drive where we want to scan for the deleted files. Okay, and I'm going to choose the D drive collection, the D drive, because I have deleted the file from this partition. Hence I want to scan this drive, and I have to click on the scan. It will scan for the deleted files. Okay, and here we can see some text files, .txt files. Maybe these are the files which I have deleted, so just check those two text files and click on recover. Okay, and you have to recover the files to the different drive. Okay, I want to recover this in the desktop instead of D drive. Okay, so as I click on it, as you can see, yeah, this is the text file which I have permanently deleted from my computer, and it is recovered. Okay, hence in this way we can recover the permanently deleted files from our computer. And this was for today. I hope you like this video, so please like and share this useful video to your friends, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications of my latest updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.